Okay, more tapping exercises for you. This one has a longer spread. If you can stretch your fingers out about that far. This is the 5th fret, this is the 9th fret, and this is the 12th. Okay, so it's kind of how you want your fingering hand to be. And we're gonna fret 2 strings. Okay, so and then you're just gonna go okay. You're gonna try to control the strings as much as possible. You get some distortion on it. Okay, not too hard. You just gotta practice that pattern and just practice your fingering and go slow. And eventually you'll get it fast enough so it can sound like a pretty cool solo part. Alright, thanks for watching. If you'd like some tab for that, let me know in the comments and I can provide you with that. Alright, see you on the next one.